magical theme background music starts. Hello, young wizards. Today we're going to learn how to cast spells using Python, the magical language of computers. Just like waving a wand and uttering an incantation, we're going to type lines of code that command the computer to do our bidding. But don't worry, it's much easier than it sounds, and way more fun than memorizing potion ingredients. So grab your magic keyboards and let's get coding. Python is like a big box of Lego bricks. Each brick is a piece of code, and you can snap them together in different ways to build all sorts of amazing things. A single brick might be a simple spell, but combined with others, you can build castles of code, spaceships of software, even games bursting with magic. Ever wish you could just tell the computer what to do? Well, with Python, you can. It's like having a direct line to the computer's brain, where you get to be the boss. Each line of Python code is a command, instructing the computer to perform a specific task. Our first spell is a classic, "Hello world." Don't worry, it won't summon a giant globe, it simply tells the computer to display those words on the screen. To cast this spell, we write, print, "Hello world." See? Magic! Just like in any good spellbook, Python has special words with specific meanings. These are called keywords. Print is one of them. It tells the computer, "Hey, show this on the screen." We'll learn more magic words as we go, each with its own unique power. What's a wizard without a good memory for spells? In Python, we use variables to store information. It's like having little boxes to put things in. For example, my underscore number equals sign 5. This puts the number 5 into a box named my underscore number. We can do the same with words. My underscore name equals sign Harry. Sometimes magic depends on certain conditions. Python lets us make decisions using if statements. It's like saying, if this is true, then do that. For example, if magic underscore number 3, print abracadabra. If the number in our magic underscore number box is bigger than 3, then the computer shouts, abracadabra! Repeating the same spell over and over can get tiring, right? That's where loops come in handy. They tell the computer to repeat a set of instructions multiple times, like a magical automation spell. No more carpal tunnel from casting the same spell 100 times. Imagine having a pre-mixed potion for each spell. That's what functions are in Python. They bundle up code that we can use again and again, just like a magical recipe. We mix the ingredients once, then we can use the potion whenever we need it. Even the best wizards leave notes in their spellbooks to remember how their magic works. In Python, we use comments to explain our code. It's like leaving little messages for ourselves and other wizards, so our code is clear and easy to understand. Congratulations, young wizards! You've learned the basics of Python, the language of computer magic. But the real magic happens when you practice, experiment, build your own spells, and soon you'll be a coding wizard extraordinaire. Keep practicing your spells, and soon you'll be a master wizard in the world of Python. Remember, the magic is in your hands. You have the power to create anything you can imagine with this amazing language. So go forth, code with confidence, and never stop exploring the magical world of Python.